The Hubble Space Telescope just captured this new image of Mars in May 2016 as Earth and Mars approached opposition, when both planets are on the same side of the Sun. The weeks surrounding Mars opposition are a great opportunity to look at Mars in the night sky.
The Hubble Space Telescope may not be the first thing you think of when you look at Mars. Hubble is more well known for its picturesque views of nebulae and galaxies outside our solar system, but it's also quite useful for studying our own planets.
The Hubble Space Telescope has observed plumes of water vapor from Jupiter's moon Europa, discovered 4 of the 5 moons orbiting Pluto, and has discovered numerous icy Kuiper Belt objects in the far reaches of our solar system.
Additionally, the telescope has a program to observe the atmospheres of our 4 gas giants, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Plus, Hubble not only studies our own planets, it also collects data from planets orbiting other stars, exoplanets.
So the next time you go out and look at the night sky, just remember, Hubble's got you covered.
For the solar system and beyond.